seen our content online the past years, we haven't done multiple covers actually at all. We've never done. So this is the first time we've done multiple covers, and the reason why is because it was just so hard to pick which one. So that's why we ended up with these three, and yeah, that's how it happened.
Janine, second follow-up question ko lang. Fun game lang. If you could pick one being the highest sa tatlong cover, so ano yung favorite cover mo, 1, 2, and 3?
Ako nung una, ito yung personal favorite ko. Pero si BJ, ito yung favorite niya. And then this one, we didn't expect it talaga to be a cover kasi this was actually the last layout lang. We just went down to the lobby of the hotel to shoot outdoors. So ito sobrang gulat kami, pero oo nga, parang I see it's cool and like...
That's the one Jericho shared.
Yes. Oo. Baka kasi yan yung wholesome. Kaya yun yung shinare. Pero, oh my gosh, I don't know na kung yung favorite ko, pero parang naging dito na ako. I don't know. Ikaw?
Same. Very simple, but parang very you. Yeah, parang I like the face, all of it.
Trivia, polo ni PG.
Congratulations, Sir PJ and Janine.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Jago. No, of course, aside from BJ Pascual as the photographer, we also have the story by Chuck Smith. We also have our production, Ria Grana. And editor-in-chief, of course, DJ. Creative direction, Iggy Talao. Iggy. Videos, John Mariano, Joe Tamesis, and Greco Jr. Makeup by Antea Bueno, assisted by Ryan Agos. Hair by Jay Aquino. Styling by MJ Benitez, assisted by Teresita Gaba. And nails by I Do Nails. Of course, shot on location at Discovery Primera. Okay, before we end, of course, meron pa tayong question from Cosmopolitan. Hello?
Hello, hi Janine, I'm Justina from Cosmo. So, you've been a very prominent figure among women in the industry today, and you've mentioned that you've worked with Summit Media before. Last year, you headlined for Cosmo Philippines Women of Influence, and this year you are Aspire's Sexiest Women Alive.
The duality.
So, and given that it's also Women's Month this month, how have you been celebrating it so far? And in light of everything that's been happening, why do you think it's important for us to really celebrate it?
I think we were all reminded why it's still important to celebrate it. Unfortunately, I mean, diba, parang it shouldn't be a reminder anymore, pero kailangan pala patuloy yung trabaho to really emphasize how important women empowerment is, especially for the younger girls and the people who are in high school or turning 13. It's so important to do the work for them, for that next generation. What have I been doing this month? Well, I've been working in preparation for a new series that we're about to film. Pero I guess there's also like the little things like showing support to other girls' Instagram posts. parang you never know kasi how much a small compliment can go a long way. So that's one thing that's like an everyday thing that I try to do. And as much as possible, just always advocate for women and support like female-owned businesses and things like that. So yes, Women's Month.
Yes, so you've also mentioned you're currently working on new projects and you also have Valero coming up. So among these characters that you've played, even from before, if they were real people, who do you think you'd be friends with?
That's a great question. I had this this one role kasi na I was a dragon. So, parang masaya siya maging friend. Si Dragon Lady. Pero siguro, yung talagang malapit sa akin, actually, was my role in Ngayon Kaya. It's like it's kind of a love story film na also like about music and parang just taking your chance on this person that you don't know if they might like you back. Parang siya yung medyo malapit sa akin, si AM. Kasi may line siya doon na super favorite ko na I also feel the same way na parang why not just give it a shot, you never know what might happen. So siya talaga yung parang malapit sa akin. But also, the girl in Balarao, kailangan yung abangan kasi it's also a story about mother-daughter and how a daughter will go through anything para sa nanay niya and para sa pamilya niya. And then it also has like a mystery vibe na medyo badass, Lara Croft. So gusto ko din yung playing like strong women and roles like that.
Okay, thank you. And last question naman. So in your interview with Esquire, you mentioned that sexiness is a state of mind that comes from confidence and authenticity. So are there any specific rituals or habits that you do, or mindful practices that you do that help you tap into this sexy state of mind?
Well, for this shoot, the glam theme, the glam and the clothes, I feel like fashion is always something that helps me feel confident and sexy. Parang it's an extra layer in the way you present yourself and in the way you kind of enhance and show your personality without having to speak. So I feel like taking the extra effort to dress up, not necessarily more formally or more flashy, but like more you. Parang whether that's like your favorite white t-shirt or kung saan ka talaga komportable and you feel like yourself. I feel like that's something that always helps me feel more confident and if I need to feel sexy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Justina.
Thank you.
I think that's it. Thank you. Okay, that's it for our Q&A. But before we proceed to our one-on-ones, last few words now from PJ. Of course, if you haven't read the entire feature, it's available on esquiremag.ph. Please check it out.
Yeah, thanks again for coming all this way for this. I just wanted to emphasize that since this is the first time we've done this in 7 years, it's truly a big deal, not just siguro for Janine, but for us also. So I hope you can support it by spreading the word. And please get ready for more content from Esquire for the coming year.
Yes, of course, Miss Janine.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming here, Matangas. Thank you for making the time. Super nice to see you all, and somehow the Summit office feels like home. So thank you for having me. Thank you so much again to Esquire, to the entire team. I'm so honored and I'm really happy kasi nga, parang nafe-feel ko na proud yung lola ko sa akin. So thank you so much and thank you guys for being here. Thank you.
Thank you.